What is up, guys? Ah, what are we doing today? Continue working on the compiler, Lexus stuff. Hopefully, I can finish stuff I need for the basic stuff. It's kind of late. I wish I could work on these the entire day. Yeah, sorry, work on because all I'm doing is applying to jobs. Um, yeah. Let me get some music running. Today I did I got an inquiry from a fella at LinkedIn. So a fella lady at LinkedIn. And interview coming up, which is cool, but it is for a web dev role. I will push as much as I can to only be in the backend team or something like that. Uh yeah, it's tough. It's tough. They are paying a crazy amount, can't lie. Um what was it? It was 45 to 65K. So because I only have 1 year, they're probably gonna lowball me like fuck. But um, it is something. Yeah, if they don't let me do full time backend, I probably will just not join. Um, yeah, because I really that's like being sent to purgatory. Maybe the first circle of hell. Let's get some Dredge OST running. I was thinking about so I replaced my switches with blues, right? And but I turned on what do you call it? Noise cancelling on my microphone. So you can't hear it anymore. Uh, so the plan is like I wouldn't need noise cancelling if I just have like a head mic like, or center mic. Let's do. So, I think that's loud enough. They're cheap, but I'd have to get I'd have to get a headphone slash what do you call it, a headset, because I don't have a dock, a fancy dock. I'm literally streaming out of a ThinkPad T480. So check out my tabs. All right. Let's get to it. Okay. So let's first go to my org. Compiler. Okay. Damn, I got nothing done last time. Wow. 2 hours and 33 minutes. That's awful. Okay. Let's actually do things. Yeah. Lexa. So I have this guy. So out of this, I want to get this. So I'm just going to put this here so I can reference it. All right. Do I still get a compiler for this? I think I do for casting away const, right? Scott const, yeah. I fucking hate this. Wait a minute. Whatever. I'll remove it for now because I don't give a fuck at this point. So we have a head and a tail. Click and type. For fuck's sake, man. I hate this. I hate this. How do I wait? Wait? I've done this a trillion times. How am I forgetting how to do this? So I wanna. Okay. This want to wait up the jar. I mean, I just want the position. Like, am I stupid or something? I think I'm mad stupid right now. C++, blah, blah, blah. All right, whatever. Fine, you win. Okay, so I need a thing to, so I have to get the, okay, how do we go? I thought of this, what was it? It was, you work with the delimiters and a white space to get the starting delimiters and the, any delimiter and the white space. So I have, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of delimiters, which is open, close, curly open, curly close, semicolon. And then I also have to care about white space. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry, no. That's a stack thing. I was remembering how I implemented it. I decided not to, just to limit the identifiers to the length of 31. I changed it off stream. It was 32 before, but if you can imagine with struct padding, if I made this 32 +1, you get a bunch of wasted bytes for no reason. So if you have 32 in the list, it neatly fits next to each other in 64 bits. And I think my computer's 64-bit. So, yeah. Bring up chatter. The hell is playing right now? Let's try some new Jabez, see if I get banned. Jabez, I mean, I shouldn't. He samples a lot, but he himself hasn't. Well, he's dead, but like, he doesn't have copyright issues, right? Well, we'll see. We will see. Try that. Analytics. All right, whatever. So how do we go this? So we have our head. We keep traversing trail. Sorry, we keep moving the head. I guess we can do. Instead of head and tail, it's a bit. We just call it F1, right? So left starts here, right starts here. We increment right until we hit a space or a delimiter. Yeah. And then we check and read it, see what it is. And then we set the left to right. And then we keep moving forward until we hit anything. That's not a delimiter or a white space. Yeah. Sounds correct to me. Very glorious to me. Oh. I did something similar. But not, yeah. The thing is, I'm not. Feels like this part of the code is gonna be like extremely bug prone. Because you can imagine. So I need to fix the commenting on this. This thing's fucking annoying as hell. You can imagine how like you try code it in a way. What the hell is happening? Bro, I am crashing now. You try code it in a way where you, I guess you just need a fuck ton of tests to make sure that your Alexa doesn't break randomly when you change like something. I'm trying to think of a way that you would code this way it is good. We'll just start and then see. So I think in this function we'll just manage the left right pointers. Well, let's get strlen first. Strlen, I need strings, right? Strings library. Or string. Whoa, I didn't know I had control backspace in Vim. Vim motions. Okay. While left is less than slen. Great. Well, let's just create a little doodad to pass code string. We'll call it code string. I think that's a little bit better. So we'll do that. We'll take a pointer to Lex token. And we'll also return back a length, yeah. Uh, okay. And we turn back void, and it's an internal function. Yeah. So let's set this up. Circum's length equals 0. Code length is that. And let's do that. Let's pass code string. Okay. Okay, I have that. Construct star. Pointer to tokens. And pointer to tokens then. Okay. Later we need to add error codes here. Wait, do we ever... Does the Alexa do validation? I'm actually not sure. I feel like that's the AST step. Or in the, what was the one above it? Let's see. Sorry, my compiler will complain if I don't initialize this. Here we go. See, now it's... Okay, I won't jinx it. So, okay. So we have to buck until we get to the end. So, char c equals code string left. Yeah. So we have our char. Oh yeah, let me check if it's complaining. I don't think it is. Cool. Complaining about bitrate, but not doing anything about that. Alright, cool. Okay, so we have left and then we move right. While we'll just have a function I'll change all this later. While is delimiter we have this and I'll fill in these functions later. We progress right. So it's not a const. And this is not a const either. Now, I always get nervous with putting the plus plus in here. So I always put it separately. If anyone's wondering that. Yeah. Okay, so let's fill in this. Is delimiter is white space. So I know that this is a function somewhere in the standard library. So I probably want to do something like that. Or I can make it in the Lexa char is yeah. Whoa. Lexa char is the limiter, and we just take a const char and return a bool. That's all we need, right? Well, okay. There's one case where in C. Yeah, okay. So, well, we're not going to do strings yet. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care about the limit, that yet. I'll do that later. So, I have a bunch of things. This is our doodad. Const char. Tag count. Take you. Okay. Literal nem. Okay. Oh, star. I guess it has to be a that. Wow. Open paren. Close paren, open curly, close curly, end statement, you wait. I guess you work with the empty. Oh, okay, whoa. Open paren, close paren. Open curly, close curly, end statement, and you wait. This I'm not sure about. I'd rather you wait be derived from a type, and not be, how do I say? How do I describe this? You wait is from a type. And I implement that type using something like, you know, the name, how much memory it takes. We can add it later. Let's say tag to char. Okay, let's token tag to char. I have this thing here. For enum enum lex token tag equals open paren tag less than or equal to end statement. Tag plus plus. I don't know if this is a good way of doing it, but god damn it, I'm gonna do it. It kind of forces you to never move these, but I just know that, so tough titties, bro. All my delimiters are 1 char. I could just assume that's going to be true forever. So okay. Let's tag to token tag to char tag, and then I hit it with one of these to get the char. Is equal to C. Return true. Return false. Yeah. Okay. So let's do the white space now. Return C is equal to. I'm just okay. Ooh. I do have to care about tabs and spaces and blah. Okay, let's just do it now. So if C is equal to return true. Format. I knew it. Wow, where are you? There you are. So I'm being lazy. There we go. Is this not an enum? Oh. Lexa token tag lowercase. Why is there an uppercase? Why is this giving me smack, bro? My guess is it in the readme? No. Okay. Uh-huh. Book type. Hell yeah. Same problem here. Either load string. Make that's the problem here. I'll use variable c left. Bear. Sorry, is that the only error? Initialize variable left is uninitialized when used here. Where's left? It's uninitialized. Is it like that? I thought it just works like that. Variable left is uninitialized. Okay, I didn't know that. I use parameters tokens. Happy now? Okay. Whoops. Sudo talk. Bye-bye. Whoa. No. Get me out. No. There we go. Let's see. So it's getting here. And I'm never moving left, so yeah, it never comes out. So okay, so when we get to a delimiter, we know we found so if we index into, we need to get one before it. So, and if it's a delimiter, that means we have to append 2 tokens after it. So, okay, so let's do that. This goes at the end, right? So we move it like this. We get what's in between, and then we process it. So okay, so if it's not anything that we know, that means we know it's an identifier, right? Yeah. Make sure not. Wow, it's really complaining about the Wi-Fi. Maybe it's because I'm rendering this in 1080. All right. Still complaining? Not sure. Okay. What is the best way of doing this? I mean, okay, is there a way Jive programming language code base? I know it's closed beta, but is there a way to see the code? No. All right, whatever. So what we could do is const.char placeholder is equal to C right. Oh, sorry, it's saved in C right, so I don't need it. I can actually hit them with code string right is equal to a null terminator. And now I have a nice string to work with. And then here I need to look for to do things. I need to set it back to C right. Yeah, he goes boop, sets the null terminator, reads what's inside, does this thing, moves it like that, places this thing, and we go on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. It looks like this. We keep progressing, right? And then here we go. How is this not getting copyright struck? Maybe it'll get muted later. This is a little bit messy. Const char placeholder is equal to code string right. That's a bit easier to understand. Yeah, the other way is a bit, you gotta keep looking up and down. Okay, so we're gonna get so from this range we need a thing to get token. Yeah, internal function, let's say get token from string view. Okay, and then we want to return back a malloc token, right? An allocated token. Lexa token. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Correct. And we want a pointer of it. Let's first and foremost just malloc it. Alexa token new token equals malloc size of new token mem set. Whoa. Whoa. I think I use memset correctly. Yeah. And in the end, we want to return back. There's no way to doing this on the stack, right? It's all runtime. There's no way to... No. We'll see. I don't think so. I'm trying to think of a way instead of just manually a way to loop through instead of so when I add a keyword I don't have to manually add it here. Okay, let's I need another one is number. From what I understand, if char is greater than or equal to 0 and char is smaller than or equal to 9, because I think the ASCII values are right next to each other. Let's check actually. Nah, fuck you. Yeah, they're right next to each other. ICE and UTF-8 is just a superset of it, so it should work. Yeah. Greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than or equal to 0. Okay. Check literal number. Okay. Would it be quicker if would this whole thing be quicker if I instead of passing this, I just pass it the bounce? Then I don't need to do this fancy shit either. I think so. I don't have to mess around with placeholders and all whatever. So we plotted code string left and right. Get the code string view. For size t cur is equal to left cur less than right cur plus plus. Okay, I get it. Wait, do I not? Okay, I don't. Okay, I only need to. Sorry. Okay, whatever it is, I just copy over. Right? Yeah. Mem copy. So I always have to search this shit up. Destination in token value. Source string view left size right minus left. So we have a thing and then a delimiter. Well, let's just do that and a delimiter. Let's say left left is 0 1 2, so we have 2 3 4 5, so we get 2 and 5. 5 minus 2 is 3, which is 1 2 3. Correct. So we actually don't need this one. Or do we? Do we null some? No. Okay. So we don't need this. So actually, we'll need it later. We copy it over, and if let's get the length first. Size t length equals right minus left. String view length So this is code string now. Okay, go string view len. If string view len. So we need to set a quick thing. Define max token literal length 31. Don't need that. Is greater than wait, I guess we should do this. If string view length is greater than max token, let's do that. Previewing length is not equal to this thing, then I want to set the new token value string view len is equal to a null terminator, please. Yeah. So if it is greater than this thing, so if it is equal, it's fine. So not equal, that means so let's say it is 30. That means it's not equal. That means we set it to 31. If it's 31, that means it's equal. That means we don't set the null terminator. Okay, good. Null terminated if literal this may cause some complications later, but we will see. So let's get the type. So probably the easiest one is check if it's returned first. If Stircom stir and I need stir and compare actually this time. Let's see what we need. Stir and compare. Gsums. Okay, so it takes this thing. Okay, so new. Oh, if it's the maximum, then it's not token. Okay. Fuck it. We're making it 30. Yeah. I'm just thinking how I handle strings later. That's going to be a tough titty. Fuck. Wait, do they just malak shred raw dog malak it? Yum, 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 yum. Okay, whatever. We'll come to it when it comes to it. Okay. Okay. New token. Value and sorry. Lexa token tag to char. But Lexa return is equal to 0. Where is this bracket coming from? Outer space. New token. Type. Check token type. Check keyword return. Okay, so now let's do check num literal. And then I made a function, right? Lexa char is num. Sorry. If so it's basically if any of them is a letter, I do that in C. No, I can't. Okay. So I guess I just check if the first thing is a number. Sorry. Oh, that makes it really easy, actually. Wow. Okay, cool. Cool. I guess that's why... Okay. I guess that's why C doesn't allow it. Or a lot of languages don't allow it. Cool. Cool. Alexa. Sorry. Alexa Cha. Cha is number. I can see how this part of the code is gonna get fucking insane. Well. Oh, I need to check for U8 also. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Bro, fuck it. Oh, okay. I really don't want to. There has to be a better way of doing this. This is awful. This is downright disgusting. Okay, cool. I don't want to do it like this, so. Abitubus, this isn't running that much. Okay, I mean, I assume the Lexa step is the one that takes the most compute. Does it? Would it? Let's ask. When creating a compiler, which steps take the most compute? Order them from least to most. Let's see. I would assume because there's a fuck ton of malloc IC happening in the Lexa. AST stuff, that just seems not as well. Let's see. Yep. Oh, this is the least intensive. Ah. Okay. Okay. Well, we can optimize it later. Yeah. So to do when do you do the verification? Oh, okay. Whatever. We have our new token. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. We have our new token. Alexa append. Oh, lol. Sometimes, I don't think. Sometimes. Build, where is it? Built-in unreach. Built-in unreachable. What I want. I just want it to crash, to be honest, when that happens. TBH. Struct. Alexa token, new token. All right, what do you take? You take a tokens. You take a token's length, reference to the token's length. Like that. Token length, and then our new token, which is somewhere. Did I delete it? I did. Okay, let's play some silly tunes. All right, let's find the bugs. Oh, lol. Test. Stir and confirm. Land. Uh-huh. Relic invalid next size. Never in my goddamn life have I seen this error. What the hell? Invalid? It doesn't even give me a line number. Okay. Oh, make test debug. There we go. Is there a way to get previous on this? No. Build debug test out run. Okay. Let's see. Not quite sure what is wrong here. Do I need to add brackets or summon? Oops. Make test debug. Curious. I'ma be real, I've never seen that error. Invalid size. Listing and size. Size of tokens. Boom, boom. Invalid next size? What the fuck is an invalid next size? Let's see if I can. Size of 8. That's wrong. Size of that's correct. Because temp is this thing, Let's look at tokens. Tokens. Two. So let's look at tokens 2. So tokens 1. Well, oh, I didn't add the way to exit out. Yeah, okay, here. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this thing, if it's delimited, then I do this. So if I do that and it's when I hit the delimiter, left equals right. Okay, so it's still less than len. Is the right thing a delimiter? Yes, it is. So why is okay? Whatever. So it doesn't increment right. It creates a new token, and then it makes left is right again. So I need to increment right by 1. Okay. So let's test it out with this then. Yeah, this case. Lex basic tokenize tokenize, yeah. Fonts char star code string equals this guy here. Whoa. Should have deleted these. Let's destroy tokens. So let's just run this in the debugger. Make test debug. Oh yeah, I need to add it to the test. usually prepend this with test. Test underscore. GF build debug test movie there break there. Whoops. Okay. Bang. Tokens. I think you do tokens at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 10. Bah. Got the first one. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Well. Well. Okay. That didn't work. I got the first one though. Yeah. Okay. We should be getting EOF anyway somewhere, right? Let's see if we're getting that. Oh no, it is working. Wait, what? Okay, so it's I must have not done the at thing correctly. Ah. So wait, how am I doing the at thing wrong? Is it like tokens? Is it like at tokens like this? Yeah. So that one's wrong. And EOF is right. Okay. Almost. Very close. Yeah. Okay, so we gotta skip white space. Yeah, it created an identifier when it shouldn't have. Huh. How did that happen? And it happened right here. And everything was set as an identifier. Why is this an identifier? I didn't do it. Okay. So, whoops. So, Alexa token tag. Nope. Why is uppercase coming? Okay, it's fucking with me. I'm okay. I'm not gonna do anything where it's like checking whether or not I fuck with it. I'm just gonna do a. If I fuck up, I will know I fucked up. Yeah. I wish I had a debugger in Emacs that is good, like a nice GUI one. But they will fucking suck. Okay. X is delimiter. I feel like we can combine these. Nah. Nah. So we can check if it's a delimiter here. So I don't want to memcopy if it is a return of type of U8, right? I only want to memcopy for these. I'm not using new token value, right? No, so I don't want this. Okay, I can remove it later. To do only do this if identify. It's pretty good to keep for debug, to be honest. Like I wouldn't have known that was there if I didn't have that. So, all right, if Lexa is delimiter. Code string. New token type is equal to Lexachar get delimiter code string left. Then we hit it with a return. So that's all we need. This light is like fucking. I do that. Whatever. Okay. Copy value if literal. Check. So let's go here. So if it is white space, sorry. So let's do this, and then while code string left x. Why is this not completing? Lexitra is white space. And left is less than Slan. Okay, let's find the bugs. It ran. What? Ah. There we go. All right. Good. So let's debug. Gf build debug test break Lexa. Sorry. Break test Lexa. Run. Back. So what it is, tokens at 10. Open paren, close paren, and statement close curly. Eel. And this I didn't need. Okay, so the only thing now, and main is working. EOF is good. The only one is this one. Why is it like that? Let's look at the test. Not that one. Test. So there's no space. Oh. If it's a delimiter only, how is that happening? Let's debug it. Break test Lexa run. So let's look at tokens at 10. Oh, lol. Let's run that again. Continue run. Okay, I'll remove it later actually. There's like an ignore there. Tokens land 0. Okay. So it should be junk, and it'll fill out. Not quite sure why this is not updating. Because every time we hit this, we should be getting a new token. Wait, so we have okay, we have this thing. The limit is here. The left is set to the position of the delimiter. And if there's not white space, okay, whatever. And then right is set to left +1. What's wrong with? I should be working. I'm not sure why this is not updating. This is really annoying. Well, that was where it was. Oh, you know what it is? It's looking for a delimiter or a white space. Return is not a delimiter or a white space. It's only checking left. I guess we can have another check. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is the most intuitive way. And there you go. Yeah, good. That's done. Whatever bugs come up, I'll just fix it, to be honest. And it seems to be freeing too, so, well, of course, everything else is stack allocated, right? Yeah. Let's commit that Scheisse and get her done, get her done. So let's good thing, yeah, I can do this one. Whoa. Create the test code to verify the tokens. Oh. Because otherwise I'd have to write, 10 structs. That's annoying as fuck. And it would be really, this is like a thing that I can check by looking very easily. So let's give it a crack. These comments are obnoxious. Just need one big comment at the top. Why you be like this, bro? There we go. U8 identifier main. Upper one close. Open curly. Return literal 3 semicolon. Close curly versus UF marker. Okay. I hate that it capitalizes this. Boy, what are you doing in bracket? Okay, cool. That is done. Let's format that and push it out. Unlucky souls on the internet. Stage. Unstage you. We'll do that later. Commit feet basic Lexa parsing minimum Lexa parsing. Let's do that. Page commit sure update. All right. I mean, okay, to be honest, like 2,000 of that, a lot of that is the utils file. So good. Oh, did I stop this thing? Yeah. So I want to move all of this into minimum Lexa. Okay. ASC is next. I won't lie, I have no clue how I'm going to do that one. I have to do a lot of Googling for that. But that's good. Learning things. There we go. 4 hours. Wait, what? I did not code for 4 hours. Scope match today. Why is it saying 4 hours? Whatever. Fine. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Did quite a bit. Got a lot of stuff done. Yeah. Next stream we'll work on the AST, abstract syntax tree, whatever the fuck that means. Yeah, close to a minimum compilation, I believe. Yeah. See you all later.